Hi everyone, and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. It's that time of the year where we're decorating pumpkins. I'm going to show you how to roast the seeds yourself at home, so that way we're not wasting anything. Pumpkin seeds are a healthy and delicious snack that just about everybody loves. We're spending the money on the pumpkins. I like to not waste anything. So let's get in here and see what we need to make roasted pumpkin seeds at home. To get started on this recipe, all we are going to need is one pumpkin. Now if you have more, that's perfectly fine. What we're going to want to do here is cut open the top. We're going to get inside here and scrape out all the pulp and seeds. If you have kids, have them do it. They really do enjoy it. So I'm going to do that real quick. Once we have all the seeds out, we're going to set this pumpkin aside, give it to the kids, start letting them decorate it and carve it. This is something you can do in October, right around Halloween when you're getting ready to do that. The kids can work on the pumpkins and you can start making the seeds. What we want to do now, once we have the pulp and the seeds out, is we want to start separating the seeds from the pulp the best we can. So I'm going to do that real quick, and then we're going to give these a wash. Once we have the pumpkin seeds cleaned the best as we can, we're going to rinse them off a few times with some cold water in a colander until they are completely clean. The seeds have been washed, we got rid of all the pulp. If you can't get rid of all the pulp, that's perfectly fine. It was just going to come off in the cooking process. What we're going to do now is put them in a pot, fill it with water. We're going to boil these for about 10 minutes, and while they're boiling, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Once they've been boiled, we're going to strain them, then we're going to throw these down onto a paper towel, and we're going to pat them dry. If they're still a little wet, that's okay. Now we're going to hit them with a little bit of olive oil, give it a toss, throw these on our baking sheet. We're going to bake them in our 350 degree oven for 40 minutes, but every 10 minutes we're going to give them a stir. Make sure we want to spread these out in a nice even layer. Look at that, our pumpkin seeds are done. The house smells amazing. While these are still hot, we're going to hit them with a little bit of salt. Now you can throw ranch seasoning on these, barbecue seasoning, seasoned salt, jalapeno powder, whatever your flavor is, you can throw these on there. On them, give it a little shake, get it well coated. I'm going to put these into a bowl and we're going to get a taste. And that's how you can make pumpkin seeds while the kids are carving pumpkins. Like I said, they make a great snack. They're relatively simple to make. You can flavor them any way that you want. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I also have an outdoor channel for that. I'll have a link for that down in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.